my name is Masa, the tutor of Autodesk Revit software in Learn Software channel. Let's start. In this lesson, we are going to practice with views in Project Browser, but I need to draw a simple project as shown in bottom right corner of a page. Please watch the steps carefully. To change unit of drawing, go to Manage tab and select Project Unit. I want to change unit from millimeters to meter. To speed up your work, you can use shortcut by pressing U+N in keyboard. Then change relevant units to meter or any desired unit. To modify distance between two walls, select the wall and change dimension, which is 2.2. You can draw a wall at any angle, just pay attention to mouse movement and guidance line. Add a floor for home by using a rectangle around your project. Draw a roof with offset of 80 centimeters. After drawing, do not forget to recheck them in 3D views, plans, elevations, and sections. Now add door family and windows. If you are looking for suitable door types, load them from Load Family Tools. You can draw curtain walls for a room, which is composed of glass panels and aluminum frames. It allows natural sunlight to penetrate a building's interior. There is a warning message for wall overlapping. We should check error to see what happens to wall and curtain wall from various views. As could be seen, we should modify height of curtain walls. To solve overlapping, we should check automatically Embed feature of curtain wall. It allows curtain walls to be inserted into a host wall. After drawing, do not forget to recheck them in 3D views, plans, elevations, and sections. I want to change roof from flat type to sloped roof. I double-click on roof to activate edit mode. Then I switch to one of the plan for editing shape as well. I define some edges as slope. It is recommended that walls be attached to top roof, so click on Attach. Now we want to learn about graphical display options with cube icon. The first mode to view project is Wireframe. Wireframe mode is representation of a building element with lines and points. It does not show any surface details, texture, or color. To activate wireframe, type W+F as its shortcut. The second mode for graphic display is hidden line. It shows the outlines of the building elements, but hides some details such as hidden edges or hidden surfaces that are not visible with our eyes. The hidden line view is commonly used in architectural projects. To activate hidden line, type H and L as its shortcut. Third mode for graphic display is shaded. It presents building elements with shading and textures to provide with a more realistic sense. Elements are displayed with materials and colors applied to their surface. To activate shaded, type S and D as its shortcut. Fourth mode for graphic display is consistent colors. This style displays the components according to their material color settings without any shadow. There is no shortcut for this display mode, but you can still define for yourself. To define a keyboard shortcut for consistent color, go to View tab, Windows panel, User Interface drop-down, and select Keyboard Shortcuts. Then follow steps. Fifth mode for graphic display is textures. When we assign materials to building components, it can be visible in this mode. To show its capability, let's assign a material to wall and specify a texture for it. What you see in the appearance in Material Browser, you can see same appearance in texture mode in graphic display. Let's select another material with different appearance. In Material Browser, there is a tab for graphics and color for materials. This setting is for showing in shaded modes and consistent colors modes. We select another material for wall, like ceiling tile, and we see how appearance is shown in texture mode and how graphic is shown in shaded modes and consistent colors modes. The last mode is realistic, in the session related to rendering. We comprehensively teach this lesson. We recommend do not use mode this while modeling big project, since it put graphics and CPU under high pressure. This modes in graphic display are used in plans, sections. Let's see various modes. Please exercise, like this video, and follow our Learn Software channel. We welcome your questions and comments.